I apologize, but before we go back to the grievance aspect of the ADA form here, there's a part of this page that I wanted to share with you, and here it is. I'm going to review it by pushing the down arrow.
Blank. Heading Level 3 Americans with Disabilities Act, left parent ADA, right parent accommodations. The Minnesota Judicial Branch is committed to providing all people with equal access to the courts. To this end, the Judicial Branch strives to make reasonable accommodations for court users with disabilities consistent with the requirements of the Americans with Disabilities Act, left parent ADA, right parent, and Minnesota State Statute 363.11. Blank. Overview tab selected. ADA Contacts tab. ADA Grievance Procedure tab. Accessibility tab. Blank. If you have a disability and anticipate needing an accommodation, please complete the visited link ADA Accommodation Request Form. Blank. It is recommended that you submit your completed request form at least 10 business days prior to the date you need your accommodation. All requests for accommodation will be given due consideration and, if necessary, may require an interactive process between the requester and the court to determine the best course of action. Blank. If you believe you have been excluded from participating in or denied benefits of any court program or activity because of a disability, you may submit an ADA grievance form to the ADA coordinator. For more information on the process, please visit the ADA Grievance Procedure tab on this page. Blank. Article Region Start. Heading Level 2 About the Courts. List of 7 items. Bullet link About the Courts. Bullet visited link ADA Accommodation.
Okay, so now I'm going to go back up to where it had the grievance.
Bullet AD Overview tab. ADA Contacts tab. Overview tab. Blank. 363.11. Accommodations for court users with disabilities consistent with the Minnesota heading Level 3. Blank. Navigation region list end. Bullet link teachers and students. List end. Navigation region end. Blank. Heading Level 3 Americans with Disabilities Act, left parent ADA, right parent accommodations. The Minnesota Accommodate 3 blank. Overview tab. ADA Contacts tab. ADA Grievance Procedure tab. Enter. ADA Grievance Procedure tab. To activate tab page, press spacebar. Accessibility tab. Overview tab. ADA Contacts tab. ADA Grievance Procedure tab. Accessibility tab. Overview tab. Accessibility tab. ADA Grievance Procedure tab. Space. Accessibility tab. Overview tab. Blank. ADA Contacts tab. ADA Grievance Procedure tab. Accessibility tab. Overview tab. ADA Contacts tab. ADA Grievance Procedure tab. Accessibility tab.
Okay, I now do not know at this
ADA
time
Grievance ADA Contacts tab. Overview tab. Accessibility tab.
happening.
ADA Grievance Procedure tab. Enter.
I just selected the ADA Grievance tab.
Accessibility tab. Blank. Heading Level 4 Grievance Procedure under the Americans with Disabilities Act, left parent ADA, right parent. The Minnesota Judicial Branch is committed to providing all people with equal access to the courts. The Judicial Branch strives to make reasonable accommodations for court users with disabilities consistent with the requirements of the Americans with Disabilities Act, left parent ADA, right parent, and Minnesota State Statute 363.11. Blank. The ADA grievance procedure outlined below is designed to address allegations of discrimination or that a reasonable accommodation has not been provided to an individual that would allow that individual to fully participate in or receive the benefits of judicial branch activities, programs, and services. Every effort will be made to comply with the time limits contained herein. The procedures and time limitations herein are to be liberally construed to provide a full review of complaints alleging discrimination or the failure to provide a reasonable accommodation. Blank. Heading Level 4 Step 1 : Complete the grievance form. Fill out all of the information requested on the grievance form, which is located at the bottom of this page. The grievance must contain the name and address of the grievant, a description of the alleged discriminatory act or decision, including relevant dates and locations, and the name of the ADA contact. Blank. Heading Level 4 Step 2 : Submit the grievance form. The grievance form must be filled out completely and submitted online, by email or mailed to the ADA coordinator within 10 business days from the date of the alleged discriminatory action or decision. If you need assistance in completing or sending your grievance, assistance will be made available for a person with a disability upon a request to the ADA coordinator or designee. Blank. Heading Level 4 Step 3 : Resolution of your grievance. The ADA coordinator or designee shall promptly review all grievances submitted under this procedure. If it is determined that the information submitted is insufficient, the ADA coordinator or designee may request, obtain, and consider additional information that is deemed necessary to a full and fair determination of the grievance. Within 30 days after receipt of a grievance, the ADA coordinator or designee shall respond in writing and, where appropriate, in a format accessible to the grievant. If the ADA coordinator or designee is able to resolve the grievance, the resolution shall be set forth in writing and sent to the grievant. If the ADA coordinator or designee is not able to resolve the grievance, the ADA coordinator or designee shall advise the grievant in writing of all offers that have been made to resolve the grievance and of the federal and state agencies available should the grievant wish to pursue the matter further. Blank. Link online ADA grievance form. Link printable ADA grievance form. Link printable ADA grievance procedure. Article Region Start. Heading Level 2 About the courts.
So that there is the process that I have to go through to find this grievance form, and then to find out that it has to be submitted 10 days prior to the court date. Now, as we've all learned, the court date is Friday the 13th, April the 13th, and today...
Enter About the Courts Heading Level 2.
Oh, excuse me. And today is less than a week away. I was giving notification actually 9 days prior to the court date. I was informed of the date because I have not received communications that are compliant or beneficial with my loss of sight. So I'm going to pause this and go to the page that has the grievance procedure so you can further learn about it. Now, please remember, at all times, every time I go to a new page, I have to sit back and listen to all of it to get a good assumption of where I can go. There are hotkeys that are useful for skipping around in some pages, but not all pages are the same, because a lot of people don't think of setting up their web pages in compliance, or they don't even think of people with loss of sight anyway. So excuse me, we'll be right back. Okay, here we are at the web page for the ADA grievance form. I've found it, and for your enjoyment, here we go.
Minnesota Judicial Branch ADA Grievance Form. Navigation Region Start. List of 4 items. Bullet link Espanol. Bullet link Moob. Bullet link Somali. Bullet link Other. List and navigation region and visited link graphic. Logo. Search. Edit. Search. Link. Search. Navigation Region Start. List of 6 items. Bullet link Help. Topics. Bullet link Find. Courts. Bullet link Pay Fines. Bullet link Get Forms. Bullet visited link Access case, records, bullet visited link, file, case, list end navigation region, start list of 5 items, bullet link, attorneys, bullet link, jurors, bullet link, government, partners, bullet link, media, bullet link, teachers, and students, list end navigation region end blank heading level 2, ADA, grievance, form, full name of grievant, left parent required right parent colon, blank, street address, 1 left parent required right parent colon, blank, street address, 2 colon, blank, city, left parent required right parent colon, blank, state, left parent required right parent colon, edit, MN, 2 letter standard state abbreviation, zip, code left parent required right parent colon, blank, phone number, left parent required right parent colon, edit left parent 555 right parent 555-5555, email, left parent required right parent colon, blank, retype, email, left parent required right parent colon, blank, date, left parent required right parent colon, edit mm/dd/ai, date, the alleged discriminatory act or decision occurred, court location colon, combo box first, judicial district, court administration, court location that is the subject of this grievance, court program or service involved colon, blank, name of the court program or service involved that is the subject of this grievance, type of accommodation requested colon, blank, description, left parent required right parent colon, blank, describe the alleged discriminatory act or decision, left parent please be specific, right parent, I certify that the above information is accurate, left parent required right parent colon, blank, submit button, article region start heading level 2, about the courts, list of 7 items, bullet link, about the courts, bullet visited link, ADA accommodation, bullet link, brochures, bullet link, careers, bullet link, court fees, bullet link, court holidays, bullet visited link, court rules, list end article region, start list of 7 items, bullet link, judicial council, bullet link, judicial officer directory, bullet link, language access plan, bullet link, law libraries, bullet link, publications and reports, bullet link, self-help centers, bullet link, state court administrator S office, list end article region, start blank article region, end article region, start heading level 2, get connected, list of 4 items, bullet link, email updates, bullet link, news, bullet link, public notices, bullet link, request a speaker, list end blank, for general information, colon, link, contact us, article region end blank, list of 4 items, bullet link, disclaimer, bullet link, privacy policy, bullet link, terms of use, bullet link, sitemap, list end link graphic, Twitter, link graphic, YouTube, link graphic, gov delivery, link graphic, LinkedIn.
Okay, so there you have it. This is my evidence or my proof of how arduous it is for someone who is blind to navigate the web, and also in this particular situation of how I am having a challenge with the Clay County Courthouse, specifically Judge Stephen Cahill, who is absolutely violating these rights and not giving me fair process or due process of law. And this is just more of it. And now I'm going to fill out this grievance form and then get it sent out, hopefully sooner than later. We'll see how the challenges arise about that. But thank you for taking moments out of your universe to listen to this challenge. I appreciate any type of assistance to help me rectify this situation, because all I'm trying to do is the right thing for myself, my children, and this universe that we're all part of. Miigwech, Ape Gish, Bima Deziwe, Wien, Gigawabamin, Tootles.